Hello, I'm Boon. Today I'd like to share with you on how to copy a range from one sheet to another with Excel VBA. Okay, to begin, you must have a developer tab here. So if let's say you don't have, you just point your pointer on the ribbon here. Then you do right click, then you got customize the ribbon. You click it, then you make sure this developer tab is ticked. Okay, so once tick, then you okay. Okay, so when okay already, then you do go to the developer, then you record. Okay, so just click okay. Okay, so that means it's recording already. Then you copy here. Okay, then right click, copy, go here, then click here. Okay, then you enter. Okay, so finish, then you click here, then you stop recording. Okay, then you go back here to close. Okay, okay, so now you have the macro already. So you come here, you insert this what's it, the button here, then you click here, then you just put. Okay, then for this one you new. Okay, new. Okay, so now you copy this, copy, go here, tap, copy, paste, enter. Okay, okay, so now you see. Okay, now we select. Okay, so now you can change here maybe to 100. Okay, up to you. 1000 also can. Okay, then you come here, then we check and see. Okay, so now let's say I copy until 10. Let's say I want to I add in until 16. Okay, then I click here. See, I got 16 already. Okay, and let's say I copy here until 24. Then I click here again. Okay, you see I got 24. So that means I copy the whole range using a macro, just like that. Then it comes here already. Okay, so this is the first technique whereby it's copy and using macro just to copy it, just like that. Okay, so a second technique you can use is using formula. Okay, let's say I want to use a formula. That means this one go to this one. Okay, maybe I come here, go to the G one. Okay, so I go to here, I insert another button here. Okay, then I new. Okay, so here I just okay, so worksheet, type in worksheet, open bracket, double quotation mark, so sheet 2. Okay, sheet 2. Okay, we want 1 to 2, sheet 2 here. Then dot range. So we just now we want F1 to G100 range. Okay, close. Dot value equal to worksheet sheet 1. Okay, dot range A1 to B100. Okay, dot value. Okay, okay, that means it copied just from sheet 1 to sheet 2. That means sheet 1 range here to sheet two range here. Okay, then we go here. Okay, we just click. Then you see, come here. Same. Okay, it will be same. That means let's say I pull here down to 30. Okay, that means let's say I click this one. I click the one first. Okay, then you see the one come only. So I click the two, no sound. Okay, so that means comparatively number two is more silent. That means it didn't go to the sheet, it direct goes to the sheet, right? Because this just this formula, value to value. Okay, so if you like my channel, thank you.